Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in law school. First, understand your exam formats. Some are multiple choice, others essay. Next, create a comprehensive study schedule, perhaps 8 weeks out, to manage your time effectively. Finally, focus on active learning methods, such as applying rules to hypotheticals rather than just rereading notes. This approach builds a strong foundation. To study effectively, begin by creating your own outlines. This process forces you to organize and understand the material deeply. Then, utilize practice exams extensively. They are crucial for timing and issue spotting. Consider joining a study group to discuss difficult concepts and gain different perspectives. These techniques will significantly enhance your comprehension and recall. Mastering legal concepts involves several key steps. Always apply the IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, to structure your answers clearly. Dedicate time to memorizing essential legal rules and their specific exceptions. Furthermore, understanding the underlying policy reasons for these rules provides a deeper, more nuanced comprehension, which is vital for complex essay questions. On exam day, strategic time management is paramount. Before you begin writing, read every question completely to grasp all components. Allocate your time wisely, perhaps 2 minutes per point, ensuring you dedicate more effort to questions carrying higher point values. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and focus on clear, concise analysis for each answer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.